first call when the storm hits, the one they trust when they break. I give out prayers like bandages, but I'm out here bleeding in faith. They say I'm chosen, I'm strong, I'm wise, but strong don't mean I'm okay. They don't hear the prayers I whisper when I'm too worn out to pray. I've been showing up for everybody, but who gon' show up for me? I've been carrying burdens in silence, still trying to find my peace. They lean on me, but I'm leaning on you, Lord. I'm at the end of me, but you've been here before. They see a warrior, but you see the war. So I'm leaning on you, while they lean on me more. I wipe tears I never cry, 'cause I ain't got space to fall. But sometimes even Moses needed someone to hold his arms. I talk strong, I walk bold, but inside I still get scared. You're the only one who knows every breakdown I never shared. Oh, they call me anchor, they call me light, but I'm just holding on at night. I need a safe place too. God, let that place be you. They lean on me, but I'm leaning on you, Lord. I'm at the end of me, but you've been here before. They see a warrior, but you see the war. So I'm leaning on you, while they lean on me more. Oh, I ain't weak for being weary, I ain't broken, just tired. And I trust you with the weight, now you're my soul supply. I pour out, but you refill, and that's the only way I heal you whole.